Welcome to Cooking with Gia. Today we're gonna make cookies. We're gonna need 2 eggs, 2 sticks of butter. We're also going to need baking soda, sugar, brown sugar, and flour, and we need vanilla. Get the flour. Add a teaspoon of baking soda. This is the high altitude tip. Now we need to pour 2 teaspoons of water. The first thing we're gonna do is mix the butter with the sugar. Now I'm gonna unbox this. It's gonna get a little messy. Make sure you wash your hands. Make sure you have a parent with you guys. Oops. Make sure you don't break your bowl. Not to cut your hands or fingers. Okay, the last piece. I'm gonna wash my hands. 2/3. 2/3, like I see. This one is going to be a little bit tricky. You're going to need to punch it. You're going to need to smush it down. Oh, I got it over. Now to mush it. Yeah. Now for the next one. There we go. Now I think we need to mix it. Make sure your mixer is loud. What did I do? Delete that. Delete that. So mixer. Okay, it looks about done. I think we're good. We need a spatula. This is my favorite part. Make sure you get the edges. We're gonna put 2 eggs in here, 1 and 2. Mix that. Egg there. Now we need to pour it in. 1 time. Stir. Get this flour mixture and let's put it in there carefully. Mix that. I'm holding on to this. Put more. Wait a little. Now we just wait for it to mix. It's about done. Yeah. And we scrape the bowl. Yeah. I think that's a little too big. To put these in the oven for about 10 minutes. Cookies are ready. Now we need to put these on the tray. Big boy. It's a big one. I'm gonna eat that one. Thanks for watching. Thank you for cooking with Gia. See you next time.